now what we have is the game switches to the C, the cartoon C, but we should have some of these sprites appear immediately. Right? We don't want the shark to appear immediately because he's going to come out randomly, right, over time. Same thing with the fish, and but everything else should show right away. Okay, so we want the diver to show, we want the boat to show, and we want the spear to show. And we want actually the spear left to show because the scuba diver's costume is pointing in the left direction. So we want this one to show. Okay, so we need to program that. And I guess what we can do is we can say, let's go ahead and start with the boat. And what we can say is go to events and say when backdrop switches to the game screen, we will go under looks and we will show. Right, and that's because when the green flag is clicked, we hid the boat. So that should make the boat show, and we can make that happen for our other sprites, for the scuba diver and also for the spear left. And we can go ahead and test that now, and hopefully that'll do what we want it to do. Okay, great. And yeah, so everything looks good except the spear is off, and it looks like it's the spear right and it's not the spear left. So let's see, we show this one. Okay, so I think here on the costume, yeah, I'm gonna fix this so you guys don't see it, but yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of that one, and then over here I'm gonna get rid of that one. Okay, so the spear, let's go ahead and try that again. Of course I'm going to make those adjustments to the starter pack, so you shouldn't see that problem. Ooh, why is the spear still looking that way? Okay, well maybe we need to go to motion and point in 90-degree direction, and we could do that on the green flag, and that's gonna point him straight up, I believe. Okay, good. So now the spear is pointing in the right direction, although he should be right here with the diver, right? Because that's going to be his weapon as he plays the game. But we'll program that at a later time in a later video, probably the next one. And so what else do we want to do? I guess we could program that now. So what we want to do here on the spear left is we're going to say when backdrop switches to game screen, go to this location, right where the diver is. Okay, so let's do that. And you'll notice as I move the spear around the screen, the go to XY changes value. Right? Did you see that? Do it again. You see that? And I do it again. You see that? So all you need to do is just put the spear where you want him to be, and the go to XY is already set to that location. All right, and so now what? Okay, now we also want to play the background music. Okay, so we have the intro music, and we also want to play the background music. So I'm going to go here to the backdrops, and I'm going to say events when backdrop switches to the game screen when the game starts. I'm going to go on a forever loop, and I'm going to go to sound, and I'm going to play sound until done. Okay, you definitely don't want to do this one, or else it will just play the beginning of this sound file. You want to do this one so it plays until done and then repeats. And we're not going to do bubbles, but we're going to do baby shark, do 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 do. Let's go ahead and test that out, see what happens. So sounds good and everything looks good, right? So we'll stop that, and that's about it.